Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan from My Little Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something new that I'm trying out, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so today's video is really going to be different. I just wanted to share with you guys something I'm trying out, just so you can know about it. It might be something you're interested in. I've always wanted to get into like essential oils and things like that, but never have because of the price. I always thought you had to buy like Young Living or something like that because that's the only good company out there, which I found out is not true. So I found this company called Simply Earth, and they do a monthly subscription box with 4 different oils, and they send you all the stuff to do these recipes. They send you recipe cards, and they try to make it like really easy and help you learn how to use your oils. So I thought that was really neat, and so yeah, I'm trying it out, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys what you get. And this is the first one I've ever gotten, so you're going to see what you get the first month, because the first month they send you a big bonus box. So you get a bunch of extra stuff in the big bonus box. And so, yeah, let's see what we got. Alright, so inside this, if I can get it open, this little box is the monthly box. So this is like what you will get every month. This is the oils and the recipes and things like that. You get the big bonus box, they say every 6 months, because you have to have some of this stuff in here to make the recipes. So, yeah. This is what you get with it. You get coconut oil. And over here you get almond oil. These little, does like that, and then looks like another fractionated coconut oil. And then you get some beeswax. It'll focus. I wonder what that's for. And it's like coupons or something. You get these little, I think these are 5 milliliter bottles to make things with. And then you get like the little roller bottles. I can't get them out right now, but yeah, these are roller bottles. So you get 6 of these and then 6 of these. And so this is the big bonus box. So this is the stuff for 6 months that you will need to do the recipes in your monthly subscription box. So that is the big bonus box. And then we have our subscription box. So this is the recipe box. If I can get it open with one hand. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the oils. You get 4 different oils. You got Palmarosa, a clear skin, which I think is, this is a blend. And I think there's supposed to be 1 blend and 3 singles. So like you get lavender, Peru balsam, clear skin, and Palmarosa. So every month you'll get something different. You'll get a blend plus I think 3 singles every month. And then they also have vegetable glycerin, this little bottle here, and this is body wash base. Cool. And then you get your, let's see, here's the recipe cards. I think I'm gonna go ahead and look at these first. You get xanthan gum. So all this stuff is for the recipes in this box. And I think, yeah, they got stickers too. It's hard to do this with my hand. So when you make your recipes, you have labels for everything to put on your bottle so you don't forget what you've made. So that will be really handy. Okay, so the first one they have is Candy Hearts Diffuser Blend. I have a diffuser now, so I'm excited about that. And then it shows you different how many drops to put in for this blend if you want to do that. Biphasal Facial Cleanser, so it shows you all the things that you need, which it comes with everything except, you know, of course, like distilled water. You have to have stuff like that, or a container for that one. Here's clear skin jelly face mask. Ah, I'm dropping them. And has some stuff on the back too. Blemish soother roll-on. So that would be really fun to do. I feel like the girls are really gonna have fun helping me do these. At least Chloe will. Lavender Love shower gel. Cool. Oops, I missed one. This one. Sugar Goop body polish. So it's all about skin, I'm assuming, this month. So every month has a theme, and this one is all about your skin. So I do know that from watching other people's videos that some of them are like making soap, cleaners, all kinds of different things. So every month you're going to get a new theme. So that's what you get in the box. This is it. And then the big bonus box. Okay, so that is the Simply Earth subscription box. What you get, you know, you get the 4 oils, you get your recipe cards, and any kind of extra ingredients that you need. And then the first month you will get your big bonus box with all the things. Alright, so I do have a code if you want to go and try this out yourself. It's a referral code. You'll get $10 off your first 5 boxes, so it's like a $50 voucher. I'll leave the code down in the description if you want to try it out. Yeah, so I will show a video of us actually making some of this stuff and tell you what I think about it later on, but I just wanted to show you guys what you get and, you know, just kind of share it with you guys because I think it looks really fun and makes it easy and simple. I need easy and simple when I'm learning stuff like this. So yeah, that is today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.